In the annals of the Middle Ages, few figures loom as large as Charlemagne, the man who would lay the foundations for a new empire and usher in a golden age of peace and prosperity. Born in 742 AD, Charles, later known as Charlemagne, was the son of Pippin the Short, the king of the Franks. His destiny, however, was not ordained in the halls of his father's court. Instead, it was forged in the fires of conflict and ambition. As a young man, Charlemagne fought alongside his father against the Saxons, a fierce and formidable people. His prowess on the battlefield was legendary, earning him the nickname Charles the Hammer. This was a testament to his strength and determination in the face of adversity. In 768 AD, Pippin passed away, leaving the kingdom to his son. Charlemagne, now king, was determined to expand his realm. He waged wars against the Lombards, the Avars, and the Saxons, conquering them one by one, and extending the borders of his kingdom. In 800 AD, Charlemagne faced the Pope, Leo III, in Rome. The Pope, beset by the power of the Byzantine Empire and the political machinations of the Lombards, sought Charlemagne's help. In the Piazza San Giovanni in Laterano, the Pope crowned Charlemagne as Emperor of the Romans, a title that would later become Emperor of the Holy Roman Empire. Charlemagne's rule was marked by a commitment to learning and the arts. He established schools and libraries, fostering a renaissance of sorts in the Dark Ages. His Codex Aureus, a beautiful and intricate illuminated manuscript, is a testament to his patronage of the arts. Charlemagne's rule was not without controversy, however. His heavy-handed methods of rule, including the imposition of Christianity on the Saxons, earned him criticism. Yet, his contributions to the formation of the Holy Roman Empire, and his role in the development of Western civilization, cannot be denied. After a long and storied life, Charlemagne passed away in 814 AD. His legacy, however, lives on. The Holy Roman Empire that he founded would endure for nearly a millennium, a testament to the indomitable spirit of the man known as Charlemagne, the Hammer of the Franks.